Hey there, car enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2024 Mazda CX-5. As one of the most popular SUVs on the market, Mazda has really upped the ante with this latest iteration. Let's see what it has to offer. Taking a look back at the Mazda CX-5's history is a good way to understand where it stands today. It's got as many Car and Driver 10 Best awards as it does tires. But after 7 years of one of our favorite crossovers, the CX-5 is due for a rejuvenation. It's still a better driver, and far more luxurious than the train of competitors behind it, but the new kids on the block have quickly outshined its trophy cabinet, while it gives up some space for the sake of style. Sitting in a CX-5 is enough to convince you of its luxury. For space, we'd stick with the newer Honda Curvy or the slightly larger CX-50, but despite its age, the CX-5 still drives like it's out to prove something, and for that reason, we think it's worthy of a place on our 2024 Editor's Choice list. What's new for 2024? Like it did for the CX-30 crossover and 3 sedan and hatchback, Mazda adds the carbon turbo trim level to the CX-5 for 2024. A CX-5 carbon turbo is easy to spot, as it wears brown zircon, sand paint and black trim pieces including wheels and mirror caps. Carbon turbo models come with the optional 256 HP turbocharged 2.5-liter inline-4 engine and all-wheel drive. Engine, transmission, and performance. The CX-5's standard 187 HP 4-cylinder engine has great throttle response when pulling away from stoplights or hustling around town, so it feels quicker than it actually is. It's at higher speeds, such as when trying to pass or merge onto the freeway, that it feels underpowered. The 256 HP turbocharged version we tested provided much quicker acceleration. Both engines pair with a snappy 6-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. You don't need to drive the CX-5 hard to enjoy it, or to appreciate its excellence. Sure, its precise steering and composed cornering make for one hell of a Sunday cruise, but it also soaks up rough roads without commotion and has the ride quality of crossovers that cost twice as much. This harmonious interplay of dynamics is unrivaled by its competitors. Pavement imperfections are isolated, road noise is minimal, and the damping is neither stiff nor floaty. The electrically assisted steering provides satisfying responses. The signature model we tested had a reassuring brake pedal feel that operated without delay, and without being too touchy when you apply the brakes. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. With 2 engine options, the CX-5 has 2 fuel economy ratings. The base 2.5-liter engine is rated at 24 mpg in the city and 30 mpg on the highway. The more powerful turbocharged engine is rated at 22 mpg city and 27 highway. We've tested both on our 75 mph highway route, which is part of our extensive testing regimen, and the standard engine returned 32 mpg, compared with the Turbo Force 30 mpg result. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Wake up inside the top-tier CX-5 models, and you might think you've been abducted by kidnappers driving an Audi or a Mercedes. First-rate materials and a fabulous layout make it feel especially upscale. The floor-hinged accelerator pedal feels better than the more common version that is suspended above the floor. The well-crafted steering wheel is directly in front of the driver and not offset at a slight angle, and all of the front seat armrests are at the same height for optimal comfort. Sacrifices come in small packages. In this case, the CX-5 held just 9 carry-on suitcases behind its rear seats in our testing. The storage bay does benefit from a completely flat-load floor. There are also several nooks and crannies in the cabin to store smartphones and other small items. For instance, the center console has a deep tray at the front, and a useful bin with a removable shelf. Infotainment and connectivity. Every model boasts a 10.3-inch infotainment display that's primarily manipulated through a rotary controller and volume knob on the center console. The interface also operates through voice commands and buttons on the steering wheel. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard across the board. The CX-5 comes with Mazda Connected Services. That includes access to remote vehicle functions via a smartphone app, and a subscription-based Wi-Fi hotspot. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2024 Mazda CX-5 starts at $30,675 and goes up to $41,975 depending on the trim and options. So, there you have it, folks, the 2024 Mazda CX-5. With its stunning design, refined interior, exhilarating performance, and advanced safety features, it's no wonder why this SUV continues to be a fan favorite. Thanks for watching. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive content. Until next time, happy driving.